Take a peek at Emtee's trap house mansion. Warm up some coals for the shisa nyama. Auntie, make some salad. Emtee has a new crib and we're all getting ready for the housewarming. The roll-up rapper has been moving levels and moving into another part of the burbs but couldn't shift bases in silence. He took to social media to show his army of fans his trap house mansion and share his blessings with us. The double-story mansion comes with a pool and bedrooms for the whole fam to come visit. Check out some snaps of the place and its Xolani decor, and next time you're in the hood, roll up.